Alright, just got the bait in the water. I was fishing a slightly different spot than normal. Not a lot of people are fishing this area. Caught a couple catfish here before. It's really all I'm trying to get right now. It's been a weather change and just trying to see what's out here. Just using some garlic cheese, buttery dough balls. Just letting it sit at the bottom. One pole just sitting on the bank, loosened up the drag. Both poles getting just little bites. Maybe some smaller fish, some bluegill or something in here. I know there's a lot of them at another spot up the road that I fish. Just waiting for something to just grab that line and go. Turn you guys back on when I get something. Alright, seem to got something on. Oh, that looks like a big ass carp. Let's see if I can make my way down. Come here. Hey, hey, hey. Oh, be careful, be careful, be careful. No, 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 no. You know what? I'm gonna have to just hand you. Oh, you're gooey. If you guys can see that, perfect. Right in the lip. And release. Alright, well, no more bites there. Got everything packed up. Might stop by the house real quick and kind of go from there. Might try another spot later at the lake today. We'll see what happens. Alright. Some balled up bread. Jam it on. Do a little dip in the special sauce. One in. Set the drag. All right, get number 2 going. Hope I got you guys angled well. Just see this. Getting used to the new chest mount. If there's any background noise, wind or anything like that, I'm working on that. Trying to get might get the little sock for the GoPro. Alright, number 2 ready. Number 2 in. Set the drag. Alright, now it's just time to wait. I like to call this lazy fishing, but just let this go for now, and again, tune back in with you when I get something. 20-minute update. So far, just a bunch of little bites, little nibbles. Gonna check the bait. Might reposition maybe. But I know this spot does have a lot of bluegill, so they like to just tap and steal your bait. We re-dip this one. This one doesn't look like anything's even been biting on it. Haven't fished this spot this late into the evening. It's just a little after 5. But curious. Alright, that one's freshly dipped. Reset. Check on this other one. And I am using let's see, 2 4.5-foot poles. Nothing but Zebco's finest. Kind of cheapos, but I've had them kind of always just been in the car, just been laying around for like the last year. Bought them real quick out in Michigan. Had a free day with the wife to go just see what's out there. Really just kind of just get out. And they've kind of just been sitting there ever since. I finally decided to buy my license out here in Texas. Since we were here for a few months. Decided to start picking up fishing again. Ow. Alright, let's dip that guy. Send it back out. I might only give it like a 20-30 minutes here. Just really curious to see what bites this late in the evening. Trying to put together a video for you guys. It's gonna be my first video. Kind of just testing the waters. Alright, well, didn't turn out to be much of anything after that. Just gonna load up, head home, see where else this goes.